Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about the addition of binomial and trinomial, subtraction of monomial and monomial, subtraction of monomial and binomial, subtraction of binomial and binomial. Coming to the first one, addition of binomial by trinomial. Example problem, addition of 2x minus 3y and 5x minus 3y plus 9z. Binomial 2 terms are there, trinomial 3 terms are there. I am going to add these 2 terms. First, I written these terms in the brackets. First step. Next one, multiply the signs. What is the middle sign here? What operation we are going to do? Addition. You should multiply this sign with this term. How many terms are here? 3 terms. Multiply the 3 terms with plus sign. Plus into plus. 5 contain plus sign only. Plus into plus. Plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Plus into plus. Plus. Look at here once. 2x minus 3y, I remove the brackets here, plus into plus, plus 5x, plus into minus, minus 3y, plus into plus, plus 9z. After multiplication of the sign, I remove the brackets here. Next, find like terms. In these terms, what are the like terms? Find out first. Like terms in the sense, same variable with equal powers. Same variable, here x is there, here x is there, power is 1, so these two are like terms. Y and y is there, power is 1, these two are like terms. 9z is a single term, we cannot do anything. You should write it as 9z only. Separate the like terms now. 2x plus 5x. Here I mentioned in a different color. 2x plus 5x, like terms. Minus 3y, these two are like terms. 9z is separated, like that. Add like terms. Add like terms. Here 2 signs, here plus sign is there. 2 numbers are having the same sign, then we should add it. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7x. 7x I written here. Here also same, minus and minus, 2 same signs are there, we are going to add it, 3 plus 3, 6, minus sign is there, so I kept minus here, remaining term 9z. This is the answer. Observe here, keep the brackets, multiply the signs, find the like terms and add the like terms. In addition, I explained 2 conditions. Remember that conditions, apply that conditions here, then you can simply solve the problem. And next topic, subtraction. Subtraction of algebraic expressions. First one, monomial and monomial. Same operations and same rules will be applicable in the subtraction also. What the rules that you applied in the addition, the same rules will be applicable for subtraction also. Example problem. Subtract 5ab and minus 9ab. Single term, monomial. It is also single term, monomial. Same, first kept the brackets here. Write the terms in the brackets. 5ab bracket minus. Here, what you are going to do the operation? Minus. Bracket open, minus 9ab. These 2 terms. Multiply the signs. What sign is there here? Minus. Minus into minus. This operation, sign operation, that is resultant is plus. Coming to the resultant. 5ab. I removed the brackets here because after multiply the signs, you can remove the brackets. Minus into minus, plus. Remaining term is 9ab. Next, find like terms. These 2 are like terms. ab and ab, 2 same variables are there. You can easily add the coefficients. 5 plus 9. 14. 14. This is the process of the subtraction. Subtraction of monomial and monomial. Next one. Subtraction of monomial by binomial. Monomial by binomial. Once look at here. I taken the problem here. Subtract b and 4a minus 5b. Single term monomial. 2 terms binomial. Same. I kept brackets here. Minus b minus of 4a minus 5b. Multiply the signs. So here you should multiply the minus sign to the given 2 terms. Minus into plus and minus into minus. Observe the step here. B, I remove the brackets here. Minus into plus. That is operation. Minus into plus operation. This is minus into plus is minus. Minus I keep here. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. This operation. Plus is there. Once observe that. B minus of minus. Minus of plus is minus 4a. Minus of minus is plus 5b. Next, find like terms. Here b, here a, these two are unlike terms, and here is b. So these two are like terms. Observe the color of the digits, alphabets, b and b. So these two are like terms. Separate the b terms. B plus 5b minus 4a. This is a different term. So there is no coefficient in the sense you should give 1 here. That means 1 should be there. 1 into b. So what is the number here? 1. Here 5. Same signs are there. Add it. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6b. 6b minus 4a is answer. This is monomial by binomial subtraction. Next one, binomial by binomial subtraction. Subtract 3x minus 4y and 4x minus 5y. 2 terms and 2 terms are here. First one, keep the brackets here. 3x minus 4y brackets minus subtract and bracket open 4x minus 1. Same, multiply the minus sign with 2 terms. Multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. These two operations we done here. Observe the color. 3x minus 4y, minus into plus, minus 4x, minus into minus, plus 5y. I remove the brackets here. Find like terms. Observe the like terms. Variable should be same. X term, here also x term. Power is same. So these two are like terms. And here y and here also y. These two are like terms. I separated here like this. 3x minus 4x and minus 4y plus 5y. Resultant. Here plus sign is there. Two opposite signs are there. You should subtract it. So 3 minus 4. That is the biggest number is minus sign. So that is why minus x. Here minus and plus two opposite signs. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So bigger number has plus sign. So resultant is plus sign. Result y. So minus x plus y is the answer. So this is about the subtraction of binomial by binomial. So listen to the video again and do 5 examples of each model. Addition of binomial and trinomial. Subtraction of monomial and monomial. Subtraction of monomial and binomial. Subtraction of binomial and binomial. Each problem practice 5 examples. This is the work for you. And practice monomial by monomial 10 problems. It should be better one for you because of it is very important one. You can easily understand the remaining concepts. Okay students, thank you. And if you are having any doubts, you can contact.